In today's video, we're going to show you how to make this awesome Beach Waves hairspray to give you that tousled summer hair look. For this recipe, you're going to need a half cup of distilled water, a half tablespoon of aloe vera gel, half a tablespoon of sea salt, half a tablespoon of jojoba oil, and 5 to 10 drops of coconut essential oil or half a teaspoon of coconut extract. Before we begin mixing the ingredients, make sure that you've warmed your distilled water on the stove. It doesn't have to be boiling, just warm enough to help dissolve the sea salt. Once we have the water, we'll add our salt. And the salt combined with the aloe are what's going to give your hair a really nice kind of tousled beachy texture. So we'll add the salt and then we will quickly stir that together so that we have our base that's evenly mixed. And then we can add the rest of our ingredients. So like I said, the aloe will help to give your hair texture. You can also substitute this for our hair gel recipe, and it has the added benefit of giving your hair shine and moisture. Next, we'll add jojoba oil. And this is really nice because it helps to condition your hair. So sea salt can be slightly drying for some people's hair, so this will help to balance that out. Finally, we're going to add our coconut essential oil. So we're going to use 5 to 10 drops, and we chose this oil just because it has such a nice summery scent. And if you don't have the essential oil, you could also use a half teaspoon of coconut extract. Finally, just give everything one last mix. Then you'll grab your funnel and pour your mixture into your spray bottle. We recommend spraying this onto damp hair and giving your hair a bit of a scrunch to emphasize the waves. And now you've got your Coconut Beach Waves hairspray.